Okay, hi everyone, it's your girl MaKay. If you guys have seen this outfit, this hair, this setup, all that a million times, it's because you're a real one, and it's because you've been watching several of my videos. And I'm so sorry that the scenery is not changing, but look, I'm not gonna change my outfit and my hair for a new video because it's all basically all of them are connected. Actually, some of them are not gonna be connected, but it's whatever, because we film a lot in one day, okay? So yeah, that's it, okay? So as you guys can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to low-key kind of sort of, actually I don't even know what the title of the video is going to be, but this video is basically me telling y'all about my problems right now and how to solve them. Okay, so if you guys follow me on Twitter, then you might know that I literally hate frontals. I don't know why. I just can't stand the feeling of a frontal on my head. It literally gets on my nerves, for one. For two, I don't wear my wigs one, I don't like to wear the same wig for a super long time unless it's a black one. And for two, I don't like it because I don't like to sleep in them because I am a wild sleeper, for one, so I'm gonna mess up my wig. For two, I just don't like I like to be comfortable in my sleep, okay? And the frontal it don't let you be great. They don't let you be great. I feel like they're ripping out my edges. I just don't mess with frontals, okay? And partially it is because of me. It's because of, okay, I gotta put some lotion on my hands, y'all. It's out of control. So yeah, I don't like frontals because of all those reasons. I just can't do frontals. Like, me and frontals are like this, okay? This is me, this is the frontal, and I'm like, let me get away. Because baby, please, I just can't. I cannot. I love a good closure. I love closures. I can, swoop my little baby hair and call it a day. It ain't gotta be all this huge hoopla, okay? So, I decided, because I did order a frontal wig. I mean, not a frontal wig. I ordered a 20-inch frontal from Unice Hair. Yes, this is some Unice Hair. It is in the lengths 22, 22, 24, 24 with a 20-inch frontal, and it's Brazilian body wave. And I ordered a frontal, yes, because I was like, I need to give this another shot. And after this is the last shot. This is the last one, because I just hate them. I hate them. So what I decided to do was, because the frontal just at that point looked a little raggedy, because one, I've had it for 5 months. Two, I don't take care of it because I hate them. So I would literally treat it like whatever. And yeah, so I had to get away from that frontal, baby. I had to. So what I decided to do was, because I wanted to reconstruct the wig, just because I didn't make it the best, and I just wanted it to lay a little bit differently up in the crown area. So there's a lot I wanted to do, so that is why I decided to go ahead and just reconstruct the wig. And when I reconstructed the wig, I decided to go ahead and turn the frontal into a closure as well. So in this video, you're basically going to be seeing me do that transformation, and show you guys what I did. So yeah, I'm gonna try to talk you through it as best to my ability as I can. But yeah, everything is kind of pretty self-explanatory. I'm not showing you guys exactly how to make a wig. If you guys want to see a video on that, literally just search how to make a wig with on a spandex cap, because that's all I'm doing. All I'm showing you guys is just kind of what I did. So first off, what I ended up doing is I took the frontal. So imagine your frontal is all like this. I took it and I cut this part out of the frontal. So I cut these two blocks off of the frontal, and so basically it made it into a closure. So I washed the hair, and then to kind of revive the hair, I used a couple different products, and I will have them listed here in the description box. And I basically shampooed the hair, and then I let it sit with conditioner and some leave-in conditioner on top of that, and just kind of let it all set for a little minute. Each bundle probably sat for about 30 minutes before I sewed it in. And then after I took the closure, the frontal, and turned it into the closure, I just literally sewed it in. It was literally just a square like it is in my head right now. And then I just created a normal wig like I would any other time. Now, because this hair had already been dyed and semi-cut, and I had bundles of different lengths, when I took the wig apart, like my first wig apart, I laid the bundles out so I knew, like, okay, this was at the very bottom, this was in the middle, this is at the top. And then also, I went ahead and I repositioned some of the bundles so the hair and the colors poked out just a little bit differently, and a little bit prettier. So that is literally all I did to reconstruct this wig, y'all. I highly suggest you doing this with all of your older frontals. Even if you like frontals, this is just a way to kind of get some extra wear out of your frontal when you're like, okay, this frontal looks tired, but the hair still looks good, you know what I mean? Then you can go ahead and turn it into a closure and get more longevity out of your hair. So yeah, literally that's it. That's the end of the video. Also, after I did that, I did cut the hair a little bit more, just so it'll be framing my face again and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys got some info, some helpful techniques out of it. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please be sure to turn on my post notifications so you guys can be notified when I upload again. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Bye.